friends, welcome to our Focus Today channel. Friends, about UGC NET Paper 2 Library Science and Information and paper code is 59. We have discussed about in previous videos we have discussed about uh, paper 2 syllabus up to 6th unit. Okay friends, now we are going to discuss about unit 7, and that is computer technology. That is, what is the use of computer technology in library science? Means we need some character representations like ASCII, ISCII, Unicode, computer hardware and software, storage devices, input and output devices. Okay friends, next one is we know about computer hardware and software and storage devices, input and output devices we know. But what are the input devices of a library is important. Okay friends, that we will discuss in next videos. Types of software, system software and application software. And the softwares which we use in library is also we will discuss in next videos. Programming languages, object oriented, procedural, high level scripting and web languages. Okay friends, object oriented languages means how to write a program for a library, how to maintain data, how to maintain the books in computer, how to digitalize the books, everything we will discuss in this topic. Okay friends, next one is telecommunication, transmission channels, mode and media, ISDN, TSDN. The full forms and the years are very important for library subject. So please watch our channel for more information. Multiplexing, modulation, standards and protocols. Next, fifth topic is wireless communication, media, Wi-Fi, Li-Fi, satellite communication and mobile communication. Okay friends, we will discuss about all these topics in next videos. Okay friends, next how the computer networks works, everything we will discuss. Computer networks. Computer networks means topology. What are the topologies? Types of networks: LAN, local area network, metropolitan area networks, WAN, wide area network. We will know about this. How this will helpful for libraries? How it helps for the reader and also for the staff of a library. It is very important for us. Internet. What is the use of internet in a library? We have many now day by day in our daily life. Without food also we are living, but without internet no work is going. And for library also it plays a very important key role nowadays. Okay friends, internet, web browsers, world wide web, www, email, search engines, meta and entity search engines, everything we will discuss detailed in next videos. Internet protocols and standards: HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol; SHTTP, FTP, File Transfer Protocol; SMTP, TCP, IP, Internet Protocol, Universe Resource Location, URL, everything we will discuss very clearly. And friends, please keep in memory that the full forms and the years are very important for library science UGC NET exam. Next one is hypertext, hypermedia, multimedia, video conferencing, virtual reality, augmented technologies. Okay friends, these topics also we will discuss very clearly in next topics. And also friends, in upcoming videos we will discuss how the questions, how the previous papers, the questions has came. Also we will discuss data security, network security, firewalls, cryptographic technologies, antivirus software, anti-spyware, intrusion detection system. Okay, friends, about these multiple choice questions will come. Okay, friends, and also they will ask questions like they will give 1 year and ask questions. Okay, friends. Next topic is library automation. Friends, library automation course is very important for us, and some organizations and some websites like Swayam online courses is offering library automation course nowadays. Okay, you please like and subscribe our channel for more information. Okay, if anyone has seen Swayam library automation course, you please watch that also. It is very helpful for us. For more knowledge we need that topic. Okay, library automation areas: planning, selection of hardware and software, implementation and evaluation, standards for library automation. Library automation is very important for us. Next one is barcode. Barcode is very important for us, for every librarian, because nowadays every library is going to be digital. So barcode is helpful for us to maintain the books information in computer. Okay, RFID, QR code, biometric, smart card, features and applications. Next is digitization, planning, digitalization, planning, selection of materials, hardware, software, process, issues. Okay, friends, next topic is digital library. What is digital library? Genius, characteristics, types, architecture, standards, formats, and protocols. And DOI. What is DOI? What is the full form of DOI? And what is the history behind DOI? We will discuss in next upcoming videos. Next is digital preservation. How to protect the old books. Everything we will discuss here. Need, purpose, standards, methods, techniques, projects. Projects under national and international. Also we will discuss and unit 8th. Okay, friends. Next one is digital library initiatives, national and international level. Okay. 7th unit is institutional repositories, need, purpose, types and tools. Institutional repositories in India are ROAR, DOAR, SHARPA, ROMIO. Friends, if we know the full forms also, we don't used to call it as roar, door. It is not pronounced like that. We have to pronounce like this only: ROAR, DOAR, SHARPA, ROMIO. Okay. Content management systems, architecture, data integration, CMS, software selection, implementation, and evaluation. Okay. Next topic is application of artificial intelligence, expert systems and robotics in libraries, social mobile analytics, cloud smart, cloud computing, ontology, tools, RDF, RDFS, Portage, semantic web, linked data, big data, data mining, and data harvesting. Okay, friends. Next topic is Unit 9 about research topic. Okay, friends, what is the research, concept of research, purpose, function, scopes and ethics, types of research, basic and applied research, interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary. Friends, in paper 1 also we have research paper, research aptitude. No, some topics may cover in this also. Next topic is research methods, historical, descriptive, experimental, and Delphi. Okay, friends. Next is research design, selection of research problem, review of literature, formulation of research problems, hypothesis, formulation, types and testing, sampling techniques. Methods of data collection. Types of data collections we have questionnaire, interview, observation and library records, scales and checklist. Okay friends. Data analysis and data interpretation, presentation of data, statistical methods and techniques. Okay friends, for detailed explanation I will explain each topic in another video. Okay friends, for more information, for more explanation, for more details, you please subscribe our channel Focus Today. Please watch, share, like, subscribe. Okay friends. Next topic is statistical packages, that is spreadsheet, SPSS, BIB, Excel, R, statistics. Okay friends. Research report writing, it is very important for us. Okay, research report writing and situation tools, structure, style, contents, guidelines, style manuals, online situation tools, reference style management tools, anti-plagiarism tools, evaluation of research report. Okay friends. Next topic is metric studies. Metric studies in library science. The bibliometrics, social, scientometric, webometrics, altametrics. Okay friends. Next topic is impact factors. Journal, institutional and others, H index, J index and I10 index. Okay friends, this topic is very important for us friends, so please detailedly read about this topic. Next, trends in library and information science and information science research. Friends, this is the last topic, last unit in our paper 2 syllabus. Okay friends, the syllabus is academic library and information system, public library and information system, special library information system, health science library and information system, corporate library and information system, agricultural library and information system. This topic is fully about information system, engineering and technological library and information system, archive, museums and oriental libraries, community information system, information services and system for persons with disability, children and women. Okay friends, for more I will explain each and every topic in next upcoming videos. We will discuss about more topics. If you have any doubt, please comment in our video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment on our web video. Focus Today channel. Thank you. ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
Thank you, Indra.